Good morning, Omega 5 Fisher fans. We out here. Long time no talk. So a lot of things been going on in my life the past couple months. Things have been changing in my life. Not always for the best, but you know, changes nonetheless. So, but anyhow, this is one of the first days I'm out here to catch my seasonal crab. I wasn't able to catch any crab for Thanksgiving. You guys saw the weather, the tsunami warning yesterday or the day before. So it's going to be my first cast. We're out at Ocean Beach, usual spot, and a couple people out here. So let's see how it goes. Water looks pretty good. Check it out. All right, guys, this is going to be the first cast. I got Saba for bait for now. We got Jimmy over there setting up the tent. Sonny's gonna join us. Maybe Chris later. So we'll see how that goes. All right, first cast. Water's cold. You would think they see it. Daiwa Sea Line old school surf rod, 11 foot. Penn Battle 3, 8,000 reel, 25-pound mono line. Right now, the water's not pushing so hard, so I got maybe about a 7-ounce crab snare. Frisco Fishing, and to my left, no one's catching anything. To my right, a couple surfers, maybe 1 or 2 people crabbing down there. See how it goes. First cast. Check it out, guys. This is home base. Till we limit. We camping till we limit. We got hot dogs. We got corned beef. We got the cook. Yup.
What's up, guys?
We doing it.
Hello, YouTube. You gotta get it.
Gotta get it. Go send it. Go send it. NorCal Crabbers, Omega 5 Fisher. All right, let's do it. All right, we got Frisco Fishing in the house, coming down. You guys want to buy some snares? We out here.
Frisco.
Of course, by the time you see the video, we won't be, but if you're out here, is the guy to get it from. What's up? Good morning. Good morning.
Hello, Mr.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Go. You gotta get it.
Frisco Fishing in the house. All right, guys. So it's been sitting here for more than 15-20 minutes. So we'll give it a first pull, see what's up. Looks like the guy over there has one, possibly. Good bend in his rod. Come on. Let's see if there's life in the water. Come on, baby. Good sign, good sign, good sign. Maybe that's one. Yeah, that's a crab. All right, there's life in the water. First pull.
who I ran into.
All right.
Big A. Oh,
Omega 5 Fisher. Had to go pick some up, man.
yes,
I'm a man of my word. I asked for boobies, but it's all good. He sold out.
Sorry.
When it's popular, it's popular. So I got what I got. I got the cross and some boxing gloves. That'll do
Yes,
for
sir.
me. Waves aren't too bad today, so let's get it. Let's get it.
Appreciate the
Let's
love,
get
B.
it.
Thank
You know
you
what's
very
up.
much.
All right.
Grab on, folks.
Look out for him.
Woo!
He's riding up and down the fucking beach. All right,
know it.
check him out.
You
Cobra
know
Cry
it.
snare. All right, guys. I've been pulling up some shorties. No keeper for me yet. I got donated a crab from Sunny, so I haven't pulled one up on my own yet. So let's see. Still trying. Right now, snares are pulling way to the right. Dead right now. All right, guys. So I've been catching crab, but they're all been short. So give this one a try. A lot of the snares are pulling to the right. So let's see. All right, Omega 5 Fisher fans. So we still out here on the beach. I got donated one crab from Sunny. Jimmy got one. Sunny got like 2 or 3. He got 2. And I was casting his rod, FYI. He has a Okuma Rockaway HD. What a beautiful, beautiful rod. Beautiful rod. But anyhow, so I cast his rod, and sure enough, to the right of my eyesight, I see a crab. And guys, booyah. Big boy. Got a little damage onto the head, but I ain't eating the shell. right? I'm eating the body. Bang. Picked it up off the floor legally. You can legally catch crab if you have a license on the beach by your hands. And I picked this up by my hands. So it's legit. It's the right size. There you go. That's 2 in the bucket.
I don't know, man.
$3.99. I love it. $3.99. Got another one, guys. How big? They still coming, huh? They still coming. They still coming. Come get it, boys. Come get it. Another one, y'all, but she kind of dirty. I'll take it, though. I'm not eating the outside. I'm eating the inside. Inside. Almost 6.5. They out here, guys. It's the tide or the tsunami. I don't know, but we getting them. Yee! We got Chris out here. He's got his remote control car going, popping wheelies and shit. Woo! Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Woo! Oh! All right, good morning, Omega 5 Fisher fans. So me, Sonny, and Jimmy, we basically stayed out here all night. Boy, I tell you, somewhere around 1 o'clock at night during the low tide, one of the poles got off the spike, fell in the water, and we thought we lost it. But sure enough, Sonny was able to snag it with his snare, the line wrapped around the other line, and we were able to pull the rod back. So that saved my friend Jimmy about $400 setup. And you know, last night was pretty slow. I think last night we got maybe a total of 3 keepers. Real low tide last night. Right now it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I woke up from a nap and, you know, sun's up. Water's high right now. Everybody's crabbing. Got a few people. They're coming in again. So if you weren't here Saturday, Sunday seems like another good day. So what I want you guys to look out for is the tide change as far as peak low and peak high. If, let's say at peak low it's 0 feet and 6 hours later peak high is 7 feet, that's fast moving water. But for the past 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, peak low was like 3 feet, and the highest went up to like 5 feet. That's only a 2 feet difference. So that's how you know it's a good day to go crabbing, because even though the currency, like the frequency of the waves, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, whatever, the waves will come in, but the amount of water that comes in from low to high or high to low, it's not that much. It's only a difference of 2 feet. So all night Saturday, all day Saturday, and today I've been only using a 7-8 ounce snare. And you know, Sonny limited. I got 9 right now. Jimmy got 6. So we're almost there. We're just gonna help him out, get his 10. and then we'll call it a night, call it a day. It's basically almost a whole 24-hour session, but you know, we had the whole weekend to grind. It was cool, you know. Kicked it out here. We cooked. We bullshitted. You know, we caught up with each other on what's been going on in our lives, and you know, some good, some bad, but whatever. That's life, you know. So I know I haven't put out a video in a long time. This is my first time out on the beach crabbing for my holiday crabs, and today was a really good day. I didn't go to opener November 2nd because I hurt my back, but you know, it was just a pinched nerve or a spasm, but you know, it's cool. I went somewhere mid-November to go crabbing on the pier. Weather sucked, so you know how the weather's been, and then that tsunami warning. So don't think the tsunami pushed all the crabs in the water. I don't think that's the case. It's the interval of low to high. It's only risen 2 feet. That's when you want to go crabbing. All right, so all right guys, we're gonna finish up this session here, get our 10, and again, you know what's up, you got to get it, right? Haven't heard those words in a while. So hopefully more crabbing videos to come. I've just been busy, a lot of things going on in my life for those of you who are concerned. So hey, thanks for always supporting the channel. Thanks for always sticking it through with me. Loyal fans, new fans. Met a couple people out here on the beach. So hit me up. Got any questions? Just want to say what's up. All right, check you out, guys. Peace.